This review, we have this Wi-Fi smart door lock. It has its own knob on it, okay? That makes this cool. Some people don't have a deadbolt in their house, or another place good to put this is in your garage. Please don't get intimidated, you guys. Just get yourself a screwdriver and get to work. All right, so here we go. Now, the cool thing about this door lock is that it comes with these little fobs, but I call it hotel keys. All the hardware you need, all right? Original keys. Some people still use keys, okay? So put it on your keychain. So let's go ahead, start installing this, and then we'll go over the product. Fits in perfectly. I'll put the wire underneath. The shaft go right through the middle. Screws, screw, and that's it. 3 screws right here, all right? So you loosen those screws, and I have them still in there, but they're loose, all right? Once you loosen those screws, this back panel will come off. This side against the door. You see right there, it says this side against the door. So it goes like this. Boom, all right? If so, get yourself a little leveler and level it out. Make sure you're straight. You also want to make sure your back part is straight. When I installed my door before, somebody was complaining that the front part was crooked, like this part. So yeah, remember you have 3 screws right here, okay, you guys? But first thing you need to do is connect your wire. There we go. Yep. So just like that. All right. Now we put it through. Make sure you're on your square. All right. There we go. All right. We through there. Now 1, 2, and then 3 screws. There we go. Now it's tight. Now it's tight. All right. Tight, tight. Now let's put the other knob on. When you get your knob, there is a screw right here. You see this little screw? Do not lose it. There's a hole right here. You match up your hole. All right. Put your screw in. Don't forget this screw. All right. Whatever you do, do not lose it. And that's tight. Okay, you guys. So I am working with 4 batteries only, and it works with 4 batteries by itself. All right. We can download the app and start setting up. All right. Now we're connecting it through Bluetooth. It says Bluetooth connected. All right. So it says, please change your default master pin. Set new master pin. All right, so I'm just going to put something down. Can I put, no, it's going to be too simple. Let's put, all right, you guys. So when you set this up, you have to be on a 2.4 gigahertz network. All right, now it's successful. Okay, you guys. So now we have it connected. It says front door, blah, blah, blah. I guess that's the name of it, but we're just going to name it garage. How was your experience? We'll figure it out later. All right, you guys. So we have garage here. Nice and easy. Again, make sure you hook up to your 2.4 gigahertz network. All right, you guys. So you have the keys right here. This is the traditional way of opening the door. Okay. Opening and locking, this is the traditional way. All right, so we have the key. All right, I'm gonna take the key back off. All right, now the traditional way, we keep this around just in case we run out of batteries. Now you have a new school way, which is the cards. I love the cards, you guys. The hotel key cards are the best. All right, so you put it in front and you see it says it failed. So what we're going to do is go on our card tab, and now we're going to hit add card, and now we're going to put the card in front. Verification failed. Oh, sorry. Next. Please register your card on the lock. All right, and then it sees the card, and it's going to say basically who name. You could put father on here or son, whoever it is, and hit complete. All right, so this card will go to the father. Verification successful. All right, and now you'll be able to unlock your door. Then you have your second card right here. You see, this is your second card. So when you do your second card, you go back and you hit the plus sign, You didn't have to go back, but just hit the plus sign. You hit next. And then you could put mother. Complete. Just that easy, you guys. And I love these because you could have it on your keychain, and that's an easy way to get in the house right here. All right. I love the hotel keys. Definitely good for your kids when they come home from school. They could go through the garage and they can just use the hotel key to come inside of the house if they come through the garage or the front door, however it works. All right. So that's it with that. All right. Now you have fingerprint, and fingerprint is simple. If you haven't used fingerprint with, let's say your phone or something, then, you know, it'll be new to you. But if you are the type that use your fingerprint through the phone, then this will be simple. So what you do is you hit fingerprint, then you hit next, and then you use your finger, whatever finger you want to use to unlock. I'll just use my pointing finger. And then what you have to do, you have to keep putting your finger on here. All right. We almost there, you guys. All right.
Verification successful.
And that's
auto lock.
And that's it. You can click activities, and then your activities will actually show you all the times your door open, close, auto locked, all of that stuff. So that way, if you leave the house, you think you forgot to close the front door or your garage door or the back door, you have all your activities right there. All right. And then you have settings. Okay. Auto lock. Okay. So you can actually set your auto lock. Passive mode and auto lock is off. Passive mode is on regular, and then when you take it off passive mode,
door closed.
Now it auto locks. Okay, got it. We're on it, you guys. We're on it. And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.